Hello again, everyone. Truck CB Sales here with a Truckerized tuner report for Larry in West Virginia on this monster RCI-2995DXHP. That's right, high power, high horsepower, whatever you want to call it. This thing's ready to rock and roll, Larry. Let's get right to it. It's got all our mods. Man, this thing will rock. So we'll start with a 250 watt slug. Get your amp switch on the back and your high cut filter on the back. So there's your 5 watts all the way down, Larry. If you decide to run amp, you got full adjustability. 60 all the way up. Show you average power swing. Turn the monitor radio down here. Low, call it 130 bird. 500 watt slug in peak. Low, 310 PEP. Now let's roll over here to sideband. 300 on the money. Larry, man, I hope you enjoy it. We'll get this out there to you, Mr. Charger, from your friend Truck at truckcbsales.com. Bump, bump.
Get your Truckerized tune today. Truckerized. Get wise and get Truckerized today.